Roborock Qrevo MaxV Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Roborock's latest offering, the Qrevo MaxV Robot Vacuum Cleaner, brings powerful suction and advanced features for efficient cleaning. Here's a closer look at its specifications and capabilities. Key features. Bullet suction power. The Qrevo MaxV boasts an impressive 7,000 Pascal suction power, ensuring thorough cleaning of various surfaces. Bullet FlexiArm edge cleaning. Equipped with FlexiArm design, the robot vacuum provides up to 98.8% coverage of room edges, getting as close as 1.85 mm to walls for comprehensive cleaning. Bullet mopping functionality comes with 2 mopping pads and a rubber brush, capable of reaching a top speed of 200 rpm. The mop offers hot water washing, hot air drying, and auto-emptying of the onboard tank and dustbin at the docking station. Bullet brush and mop adjustment. Users can lift the brushes and mops based on surface types and cleaning settings, ensuring optimal performance. Bullet automatic dirt detection. The robot vacuum features automatic dirt detection, enhancing its effectiveness in cleaning. Bullet voice control. Control the Qrevo MaxV with ease using Hello Rocky voice commands, providing convenient hands-free operation. Bullet reactive AI obstacle avoidance. With reactive AI obstacle avoidance, the robot vacuum navigates around obstacles for a smoother cleaning experience. Comparison to Dre ML20 Ultra. The Qrevo MaxV shares similarities with the Dre ML20 Ultra, another Xiaomi sub-brand product. Both offer powerful suction, edge cleaning capabilities, and advanced mopping functions. Specifications. Bullet docking station features. Bullet hot water mop washing. Bullet hot air drying. Bullet auto-emptying of tank and dustbin. Bullet control Hello Rocky voice commands. Bullet cleaning efficiency. Reactive AI obstacle avoidance availability. The Roborock Qrevo MaxV was showcased during CES 2024 and is now available in Germany. This advanced robot vacuum is designed to offer efficient and convenient cleaning for households. With its powerful suction, edge cleaning capabilities, and smart features, with the Qrevo MaxV, users can expect thorough cleaning of floors, effective edge cleaning, and the convenience of voice control. Whether it's vacuuming carpets or mopping hard floors, this robot vacuum aims to provide a seamless cleaning experience.